Should UGGs be tight? UGG boots, known for their plush sheepskin lining and cozy fit, are a popular choice for comfort and warmth. When it comes to choosing the right size, many people wonder whether UGGs should feel tight initially. The short answer is that UGGs should feel snug but not uncomfortably tight when new, as they will stretch over time. Let's explore the factors to consider when determining the correct fit. 1. Initial fit expectations. UGGs should fit snugly, especially around the foot, without causing pain or discomfort. The sheepskin lining will compress and mold to the shape of your foot with wear. A slight tightness is normal at first, particularly in the toe box and across the top of the foot. 2. Stretching over time. Genuine sheepskin stretches, and the lining flattens with use, providing more room inside the boot. UGGs can stretch up to half a size after regular wear. If they feel too loose initially, they may become overly roomy and uncomfortable later. 3. Width considerations. UGGs are designed to have a snug fit and width. If your foot feels pinched or cramped, especially after a few minutes of wear, consider sizing up. However, if they feel slightly tight, give them time to stretch before deciding on a larger size. 4th, toe box fit. Your toes should gently touch the front of the boot without curling or feeling crushed. The sheepskin lining will flatten, creating more space over time. If your toes feel cramped or there's pressure on your toenails, the size is too small. Femti heel fit. The heel should feel secure but not overly tight. A bit of heel movement is normal initially but should lessen as the lining molds to your foot. Excessive slipping indicates the boots are too large. 6th, sock or no sock decision. UGGs are designed to be worn without socks, as the sheepskin naturally regulates temperature and wicks moisture. If you plan to wear socks, consider this when choosing your size. Wearing thick socks during a fitting may lead to selecting a size that becomes too loose after the lining compresses. 7. Sheepskin compression factor. The sheepskin lining starts thick and fluffy, but will compress over time. This natural flattening process provides more space, turning a snug fit into a comfortable one. The more frequently you wear your UGGs, the quicker this process occurs. 8. Different UGG styles and fit. Classic UGG boots have a more forgiving fit due to their soft construction. Fashion UGGs, like those with zippers or more structured materials, may fit differently and require more careful size selection. UGG slippers should also fit snugly initially, as they will loosen with wear. 9. Testing and walking around. When trying on new UGGs, walk around indoors to gauge the fit. Make sure your toes touch the front without being cramped. The snugness should feel comfortable rather than restrictive. UGGs should feel snug and slightly tight when new, as the sheepskin lining will naturally stretch and mold to your foot with time. If they feel painfully tight, you should size up. On the other hand, if they fit perfectly when brand new, they may become too loose after a few wears. Aim for that sweet spot of snug but comfortable to ensure long-lasting comfort.